अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं हॉट न्यूज स्टूडियो और हॉट न्यूज स्टूडियो की जानिब से एक अहम खबर हम आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। जैसा कि आपने पिछली वीडियो में देख ही लिया होगा कि एनएमडी कैट डिले हो चुका है। उसका कंप्लीट कोर्ट ऑर्डर एडवोकेट जिब्रान नासिर ने अपनी ट्वीट में पोस्ट कर दिया है। अब इस वीडियो में हम बताएंगे कि उस कोर्ट ऑर्डर में क्या लिखा है। ये कोर्ट ऑर्डर के पेजेस आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं। ऑर्डर शीट, द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ सिंध कराची, डेट ऑर्डर विद सिग्नेचर ऑफ जजेस, प्रेजेंट मिस्टर जस्टिस मोहम्मद अली मजहर, मिस्टर जस्टिस अदनान इकबाल चौधरी। अब नीचे एडवोकेट्स के नाम लिखे हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट पेज की तरफ पढ़ते हैं। मोहम्मद अली मजहर जे heard the argument for reason to follow. We dispose of the subject petitions by a common order as follows. Section 4 and 18 of the Pakistan Medical Commission Act 2020 are intra vires the Constitution of Pakistan. Number 2. PMC Admission Regulation 2020 to 21 made by the Medical and Dental Councils under Section 82F of the PMC Act 2020 have been framed with the lawful authority, and all previous regulations have been repealed in term Section 50 of PMC Act 2020. As a consequence thereof, the concept scheme of holding MD-CAT by admitting universities ceased to exist as provided under Section 18 of the PMC Act 2020. The Learned Counsel for the PMC has shown us two different syllabus. The last revised syllabus was produced by PMC's counsel on 27th October 2020. The PMC has taken the plea that for MD-CAT a common syllabus has been compiled so that no topic should be outside of any existing recognized syllabus of FSC in Pakistan. On 23rd October 2020, the Medical and Dental Council published the following announcement. Official announcement. Syllabus clarification. MD-CAT common syllabus has been created on the singular principle that no topic is outside any of the existing recognized syllabus of FSC in Pakistan. It has been reviewed by a committee of provincial universities and IBCC. The question bank for MD-CAT paper is also based on singular principle that no question appear which is outside any of the existing recognized syllabus of FSC in Pakistan. If any question appears in the paper which is outside of any syllabus, it shall be removed from scoring by the examination paper review committee immediately for all students. Students appearing in the MD-CAT exam will be provided an objection form at the examination center in which they can record any objection to any question they believe is outside the syllabus of the relevant board, underlining supplied for emphasis. Number 5. All objection will be reviewed immediately after completion of the MD-CAT exam on 15 November 2020, and any question found to be outside the identified syllabus shall be removed from scoring, underlining supplied for emphasis. Number 6. All objections being communicated regarding any topics at this time are also being constantly reviewed by the relevant committee, फाइनलाइजिंग द क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑफ द पेपर। ये सब वही बातें हैं जो हम अपनी पुरानी वीडियो में आपको समझा चुके हैं कि पीएमसी ने क्या क्या वादे किए थे कॉमन सिलेबस के लिए। Despite asserting and claiming a common syllabus to all, the above announcement has been made, which created uncertainty and gross confusion and perplexity in the minds of all applicants. Now, the question paper of the MD-CAT would be subject to a process of objection and review, which ironically compromises its very structure and standard and is sure to open a floodgate of challenges subsequent to the MD-CAT throughout the country. This is quite a unique idea that every applicant will be provided objection form at the time of entering into the examination hall. So first he should be obliged to do audit exercise as to how many questions are out of his syllabus. Much time of the candidate would be lapsed and consumed to go through the entire question paper as an examiner and then filling the objection form. No further mechanism has been provided in the above announcement as to how and when students appearing in the MD-CAT will come to know whether objections raised by them were considered and a question considered by them to be outside the identified syllabus have been removed from scoring or not. Such unreasonable and non-standard conditions amount to create hardship. distress and uncertainty amongst these candidates and their future is also on stake unless the proper syllabus is made out by the competent authority with due deliberation and examination of FSC syllabus of country to make out a common syllabus without any doubt so that the candidate should not be asked to fill objection form in examination hall. कोर्ट ने इसमें ये लिखा है कि उन्होंने कहा तो था कि वो देंगे एक ऑब्जेक्शन फॉर्म पीएमसी वालों ने, लेकिन पीएमसी वालों ने ये कहा कि जैसी बच्चा घुसेगा हम उसके हाथ में वो ऑब्जेक्शन फॉर्म दे देंगे। लेकिन बच्चा कितना परेशान होगा उस वक्त कि वो उस टाइम के अंदर अपना पूरा पेपर भी हल करे और उसमें ये भी लिखे, ये भी मार्क करे कौन से क्वेश्चन बाहर हैं और बाद में ऑब्जेक्शन फॉर्म दे और फिर और ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन हो कि उसका जो ऑब्जेक्शन था वो पीएमसी वालों ने उसे कोई ऑथराइज किया या नहीं किया, उसे माना या नहीं माना, वेदर के क्वेश्चन वो निकलेगा या नहीं निकलेगा। इससे बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन पैदा हो रही है और बच्चों का फ्यूचर एक स्टेक पे है। नंबर 4, it is an admitted position that the National and Medical and Dental Academic Board has not been constituted under Section 10 of the PMC Act 2020, which has been vested various powers and functions under Section 13 of the PMC Act, including the powers to formulate the examination structure and standard for MDCAT for approval of the Council. Therefore, without constituting and notifying the National Medical and Dental Academic Board, MDCAT cannot be conducted. ये वही ऑब्जेक्शन है जो एडवोकेट जिब्रान नासिर ने उठाया था कि एक एकेडमिक काउंसिल तो बनी नहीं है, एक एकेडमिक बोर्ड तो फॉर्म ही नहीं हुआ है जो एनएमडीकैट को इलीगल बनाते हैं क्योंकि ये पीएमसी एक्ट 2020 के मुताबिक नहीं है। It is also an admitted position that no national medical authority has been constituted under Section 15 of PMC Act 2020. However, the Learned Counsel for the PMC produced copies of 7 office orders issued by the President of the Council for temporary appointment of members of the National Medical Authority. The appointment of the temporary members to the National Medical Authority made by the Medical and Dental Council on 5th October 2020, said to be in exercise of the power under subsection 2 of Section 51 of the PMC Act 2020, are beyond the scope and compass of the said transitory provision. We must elucidate here that under subsection 1 of Section 51 transitory period, it is the federal government who shall provide officer on deputation for a period not exceeding 90 days as may be requested by the Council to assist in operations of the Commission until members, officer and necessary employee of the Commission are appointed. Whereas in contrast, subsection 2 only envisages the appointment of person by the Council on contract basis. So in our considered view, the niceties of subsection 2 of Section 51 of PMC Act 2020 cannot be stressed or applied for the appointment of members of National Medical Authority on temporary basis. Furthermore, we have not been shown any compliance of subsection 3 of Section 15 of the PMC Act 2020, which in fact explicates that the federal government on the recommendation of the Council shall from amongst the member listed in clauses 8 to C of subsection 1 of Section 15 of the PMC Act 2020 appoint one member as the executive member who shall act as the executive and administrative head of the authority to exercise such functions in accordance with regulation as may be made by the Council. At present, no head of the National Medical Authority has been appointed which has been vested various power under Section 16 of the PMC Act, including the power to conduct all examinations provided for under the Act, whereas under Section 18(1) of the PMC Act it is categorically mentioned that National Medical Authority shall conduct MDCAT on a date approved by the Council and as per standard approved by National Medical and Dental Academic Board. इसका खुलासा ये है कि अभी तक वो ऑफिसर को इन्होंने अपॉइंट ही नहीं किया जो आगे जाके दूसरे ऑफिसर को संभालेगा और एकेडमिक काउंसिल नहीं बनी है जो MDCAT ले सके. The constitution of the commission is provided under section 3 of the PMC Act 2020 according to subsection 4 of section 3 of the Act. The Pakistan Medical Commission is consist of a the Medical and Dental Council, B, the National Medical and Dental Academic Board, and C, the National Medical Authority consisting of members as provided under Section 15. The connotation and magnitude of this section is quite meaningful and carrying great weight that every component of Pakistan Medical Commission has much importance and indispensable. In the absence of the validly constituted National Medical Authority and not constituting the National Medical and Dental Academic Board, the Pakistan Medical Commission is restrained from holding the MDCAT scheduled to be conducted on 15 November 2020. However, competent authority under Section 10 and 15 of the PMC Act 2020 shall within 15 days hereof appoint the National Medical and Dental Academic Board and the National Medical Authority in line with the said provision. Therefore, within 10 days, the National Medical and Dental Academic Board shall review with the formulation of the examination structure and standard for the MDCAT and announce common syllabus. Thereafter, MDCAT shall be conducted through National Medical Authority on a date to be fixed and announced afresh at earliest. All applicants who had applied to PMC and their appointment application forms were accepted before the cutoff date shall be allowed to attend the MDCAT with their same registration and admit card if any issued to them. ये वही सेक्शन है जो एडवोकेट जिब्रान नासिर ने ट्वीट किया था कि MDCAT डिले हो गया है, जो हम पुरानी वीडियो इससे पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके. The reliance placed by learned counsel for PMC on the judgment date 6 November 2020 passed by the Lahore High Court in WP number 55685/2020 is misplaced in as much as in that case the plea of the petitioner was that MDCAT all across Pakistan should be held on the basis of syllabus prescribed by the UHS Lahore in June 2020, which plea was rejected. Therefore, the case is completely distinguishable as it did not involve question of non-compliance of provisions of the PMC Act 2020 and the effect of non-appointment of the National Medical and Dental Academic Board and National Medical Authority. इसके अंदर ये बताया गया है कि वो जो लाहौर हाई कोर्ट में जो पेटिशन चल रहा था सिलेबस को लेके कि सिलेबस यूएचएस का होना चाहिए, और ये वाला केस उससे बहुत अलग है क्योंकि यहाँ पे पीएमसी एक्ट 2020 की वायलेशन के बारे में बताया. Learned counsel for the PMC pleaded that in terms of the clause D of subsection 1 of section 10 of the PMC Act 2020, the Sindh government failed to nominate their representative to the National Medical and Dental Academic Board and therefore the board was not constituted. It is beyond comprehension that merely due to no nomination by the government of Sindh, the board could not be constituted despite it is clearly provided under subsection 4 of the section 10 of the PMC Act 2020 that no act done by the board shall be invalid on ground merely of existence of any vacancy in or any defect in the constitution of the board. So also section 12 of the PMC Act 2020 germane to be to meeting of the board, which clearly provides under subsection 3 that a minimum of 2/3 of the members of the board shall form a quorum and all of the acts of the board shall be decided by a majority of the member present and voting. Section 18(3) of the PMC Act 2020 and Regulation 16 of the PMC Admission Regulation 2020-21 permit the provincial government to make a policy to cater the domicile condition for admission to public and private medical institution not inconsistent with the PMC Act 2020. इसमें ये बताया गया है कि PMC Act 2020 के एडमिशन रेगुलेशन ये परमिट करते हैं प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट को कि वो एक ऐसी पॉलिसी बनाए कि डोमिसाइल के मुताबिक पब्लिक और प्राइवेट मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन के अंदर दाखिले किए जाएं. The Medical and Dental Council shall make regulation to set criteria for admission priority in scenario where mark score or applicants are the same equal. Judge. मेडिकल और एडमिशन्स के बारे में और न्यूज़ जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें